Chemists, including you, often have to mathematically manipulate measurements, and there are rules that must be followed to correctly express the answers. When we perform calculations with measurements, we often end up with answers that do not accurately reflect the limitation of the measuring device used. Calculators are programmed to do math, not determine Sig Figs. It's up to us to augment our final answer as necessary according to the rules. The rule for adding and subtracting Sig Figs or measurements is that the answer has as many places after the decimal point as the value with the least number of places after the decimal point. If we look at this example, 20.32 meters plus 1.2 meters plus 0.07 meters, the final answer that our calculator would give us is 21.59 meters. It is important to do the math first and round our final answer according to the rules as our very last step. Upon examination of the added values, there are uncertain digits in the 100th place, the 10th place, and the 100th place. Since the value with the least number of places after the decimal point is 1.2 meters with the uncertain digit in the 10th place, our final answer must be rounded to the 10th place. We follow the same rules for rounding as elementary math. We identify our last allowable digit, which in this case is the 5 in the 10th place, and look at the place value to the right. If that digit is 5 or greater, we round up. Since the digit to the right of 5 is 9, we round the 5 up to 6. Our final answer expressed with correct Sig Figs is 21.6 meters. To sum up, when we are adding or subtracting measurements or Sig Figs, we do the math first. Next, we count the places after the decimal point and round our final answer so that it has as many places after the decimal point as the value with the least number of places after the decimal point. Also, when adding or subtracting measurements, the unit must be the same.